Hello children, we'll do class 11 mathematics chapter 3 trigonometric functions exercise 3.3. In that one, prove that sin squared pi by 6 plus cos squared pi by 3 minus tan squared pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. We'll take the LHS part of the question. Sin squared pi by 6 plus cos squared pi by 3 minus tan squared pi by 4. Sin pi by 6 is sin 180 by 6. That is equal to sin 30, it is equal to sin 30 equal to half. This one I just explained, those who know directly they can write. Now again cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is again cos 180 by 3. Cos 180 by 3 is cos 60. Cos 60 is again half. Next one tan pi by 4 means tan 180 by 4. 180 by 4 is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. I am substituting these values in the given data. So it will be equal to sin pi by 6, that is 1 by 2 the whole squared. Sin 30 the whole squared. Plus cos pi by 3, that is also 1 by 2 the whole squared. Minus sin 45, tan 45, that is 1 squared. Equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Either you can write that one as either denominators of first two terms are same. Add the numerator 1 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 equal to 2 by 4 minus 1 equal to 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1. We can write half minus 1 is minus half equal to comma RHS. That one you have to prove. Now we'll go to question number 2. Question number 2 will be, question number 2 is actually 2 tan squared pi by 6. 2 tan squared pi by 6. Again plus cosec squared 2 sin squared pi by 6. 2 sin squared pi by 6 plus cosec squared minus 7 pi by 6. Cosec squared 7 pi by 6 only, not minus. 7 pi by 6 into cos squared pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. So 2 sin squared pi by 6 plus cosec squared 7 pi by 6 again into cos squared pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2 you have to prove. For that one we'll take again the LHS part of the question. LHS part of the question is 2 sin squared pi by 6. Sin squared pi by 6 plus cosec squared 7 pi by 6 plus into cos squared pi by 3. I'll write the value for cosec pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6 is actually 7 pi by 6. No. Cosec 7 pi by 6 can be written as when you divide with 6 table, you will get actually 1 pi plus cosec. Either you can write 1 pi plus pi by 6. 1 pi plus pi by 6. 1 pi is actually, how will you get that one means 7 pi by 6. You divide with 7 pi, you divide with 6 table. 6 into 1 pi is 6 pi. Remainder will be 1 pi. So it will be plus 1 pi. So it will be quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient is 1 pi plus pi by 6. In that way you can do. So you got that one. Now here cosec 180 plus theta. All the 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant. All the 180 plus theta, pi is 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant. In the third quadrant only tan and its reciprocal cot will be positive. That means cosec is negative. Cosec is negative. So cosec 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant. It will be equal to plus cosec pi by 6. I'll write the general formula. Cosec 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant, which is equal to plus, not plus, minus cosec theta. So this answer will be minus cosec, because the third quadrant only tan will be positive, cosec will be negative, minus cosec theta. So I'll write that on as sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is sine 30. Sine 30 it is, which is equal to half. And again, cosec pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6 is the reciprocal of sine pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6 is the reciprocal of sine pi by 6. 1 by sine pi by 6, I'll write. Cosec pi by 6 will write as 1 by sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6. But we did that one. Sine pi by 6 is half. So its reciprocal is 2. Next one is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is actually cos 60. Cos 60 is actually again half. So we'll write that value. Here 2 into sine squared pi by 6. Sine squared pi by 6 is actually, sine pi by 6 is half. So half the whole square. Half the whole square. Plus cosec 7 pi by 6. I'll write one time that one as cosec pi plus pi by 6 the whole square into cosec squared pi by 3. Cosec squared pi by 3 will be equal to cos squared pi by 3, not cosec squared. Cos squared pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60. Cos 60 is half. So 1 by 2 the whole square. It will be 1 by 2 the whole square. We'll continue the remaining on the next side. So now it will be equal to 2 into, we'll continue the remaining. So it will be equal to, its continuation, equal to 2 into 1 by 4. 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. Now here cosec 180 plus theta. You wrote minus cosec theta. So it will be minus cosec pi by 6 the whole square into 1 by 4. So it will be equal to 2 and 4 will be cancelled, 1 by 2. Because of whole square, minus into minus will become plus. Then cosec pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6 we wrote the value as 2. So it will be either you write otherwise plus. It is better. Minus 2 the whole square. Plus minus 2 the whole square into 1 by 4. So it will be equal to, we'll do the multiplication first. So it will be 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. We'll get 1 by 2 plus 1. I'll cancel 4 and 4. So it will be 1 by 2 plus 1. Either directly half plus 1 is 1 and half. So it will be 3 by 2. Or you can take the LCM 1 plus 2 divided by 2. Because the denominator of 1 is 1. So 1 into 2 multiply numerator also with 2. So it will be 3 by 2. Which is the, it will be 3 by 2 which is the RHS. Now we'll go to question number, is the RHS. Now we'll go to question number 3. Now we'll do question number 3. Cos squared pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan squared pi by 6 equal to 6. Cot squared pi by 6. So now we are starting the answer. So it is cot squared, LHS part of the question. Cot squared pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan squared pi by 6. 3 tan squared pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 is cot 30. So cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is, so tan pi by 6 equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is actually 1 by root 3. So it is cot pi by 6 now. Cot pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 is cot 30 itself. So reciprocal of 1 by tan 30 is value. So that is equal to root 3, or you by heart it directly. Now we got cot pi by 6. Now cosec 5 pi by 6. Cosec 5 pi by 6 will write as cosec, as I'll complete it here. Cosec 5 pi by 6. I'll take the even multiple. So it will become cosec pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus means 6 pi minus pi by 6. So that will be 5 pi by 6. If you have doubt, you divide it actually. So 5 pi by 6 when you divide with 6 table. So 5 pi is smaller than that one. So I'll write 1 pi. 6 into 1 pi is 6 pi. So it will be equal to minus 1 pi. Minus 1 pi. Now I'll do quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient is 1 pi plus remainder. Remainder is minus pi. So quotient is 1 pi minus remainder is pi divided by divisor is 6. So cos pi minus pi by 6, that is cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. Belongs to second quadrant, quadrant 2. All the 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. That is in quadrant 2 actually. In quadrant 2, only sign will be positive, means cos will be negative. Cos 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. So cos 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos will be negative. So answer will be minus cos theta. So it will be reading not cosec, no, not cos, cosec actually, sorry. Cosec 180 minus theta. Cosec 180 minus theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec 180 minus theta is reciprocal of sin theta actually. So sin and its reciprocal will be positive in the second quadrant. So it is plus cosec theta. So it will be equal to plus cosec pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6, that is cosec 30. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is half, so cosec 30 will be 2. I just wrote all the values. I'll write that one. Cosec pi by 6 is cosec 30, which is equal to 1 by sin 30 equal to 2. Because sin 30 is half. Now tan 30's value. Tan 30's value is tan pi by 6. Which is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now we'll substitute all the values. I'll give the given LHS part of the question as equation number 1. So now equation number 1 becomes, I'm substituting in equation number 1. So it will be cot squared pi by 6. Cot pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 I wrote cot 30, which is equal to root 3. So it will be equal to root 3 the whole square. Plus cosec 5 pi by 6. If you want one time, you write cosec pi minus pi by 6. It is belonging to the second quadrant. Cosec, sin and its reciprocal is cosec, will be positive in the second quadrant. Then plus 3 tan pi by 6. Tan 30 I wrote 1 by root 3. The whole square. Equal to 1 by root 3 the whole square. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. Plus cosec 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. It will be plus cosec theta. Plus 3 into 1 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it will be equal to 3 plus cosec 30. Cosec 30's value I wrote 2 it is. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. Its value is 2. So it will be plus 2. Plus 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 1 you will get, which is equal to 6. that is the RHS. I'll show the cancelling of 3 and 3. So here I'll just show the cancelling of 3 and 3. You get the answer 6. That is the RHS part of the question. Now we'll go to question number 4. Question number 4. Now we'll do question number 4. So it will be 2 sine squared 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos squared pi by 4 plus 2c squared pi by 3 equal to 10 you have to prove. For proving that one again, in this one, again LHS part of the question you will take. LHS part. 2 sine squared 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos squared pi by 4 plus 2c squared pi by 3. Now here sine 3 pi by 4. Sine 3 pi by 4 I'll write as, I'll take one more than that one, that is 4 pi I'll take. So it will become sine pi minus pi by 4. Sine pi minus pi by 4. Because when I'll divide 3 pi by with 4 stable, I'll take one more than that one, so 1 pi equal to 4 pi. When I'll subtract that one, I'll get minus 1 pi. Again, we'll use the property quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient. Quotient is 1 pi minus remainder is plus remainder, that is minus 1 pi divided by 4. So it will be of the form sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. So it will be minus sine pi by 4. Minus sine pi, second quadrant sine will be positive. The second quadrant sine will be positive. So it is plus sine pi by 4. So that will be equal to 1 by sine 45 it is. Sine 45. Its answer is sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So in general, I'll write sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta plus sine theta. Because it belongs to second quadrant, plus sine theta. Because it belongs to second quadrant. Now cos pi by 4 directly. Cos 45 is, cos pi by 4 is cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Next one sec. Pi by 3 is sec 60. Sec 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is actually half. So sec pi by 3 equal to sec 60 is 1 by cos 60. 1 by cos 60 which is equal to 2. These many values we completed. Now we'll start substituting all these values in equation number 1. So I'll write equation number, I'll name this equation as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now that equation number 1 can be written as 1. Can be written as, once more I am writing that one. So it will be 2 sine squared 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos squared pi by 4 plus 2 sec squared pi by 4 pi by 3 equal to 2 sine squared pi by 4. This 2 into sine, not pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, once more in the calculation part I write sine pi minus pi by 4 the whole square. The sine squared 3 pi by 4 is sine 3 pi by 4 the whole square only. Then plus 2 cos pi by 4 is 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square. This cos pi by 4. Then again plus 2 sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 is sec 60. Reciprocal of cos 60 it will be 2 the whole square. Now sine 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant, that is plus sine theta. So it will be 2 into sine pi by 4 the whole square. Sine pi by 4 the whole square plus 2 into 1 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 is 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 2s are 4. So it will be 2 into 4. So it will be 2 into 1 by root 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. I wrote the value here. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. The whole square. Plus 2 and 2 will be cancelled. You will get 1. 2 fours are 8. Now here root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 into 1 by 2. I'll just write root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. So it will be plus 1 plus 8. It will be 1 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 10, comma RHS. I will go to question number 5.